Okay, today I'm going to teach you how to make your pixel art character blink like this. Um, and it's really not that hard. I'm going to show you from the scratch how to do it. So step one is just get a new 50 by 50 canvas. I'm going to start with a new drawing. Oh, I'm going to just get rid of my old one. Okay. And then I'm just going to draw an outline for a head. So I'm just going to draw a circle. It does not need to be perfect. If you want to draw the body out like that, there you go. The important part is that you have eyes that can blink. So I'm going to draw like this, and I'm going to get myself two nice big eyes that will have space. Okay, I did that wrong. Try this. Now, if you look, that space gives me the ability to have an eyeball in the middle, and I'm going to fill that. I'm going to fill that with a color, and I'm going to fill the skin with a color, and then I'm going to draw a little mouth for my character like this. Okay, the basics here, and maybe I'll fill his shirt in with a color. There we go. Okay, and sky. Why not? All right. So the important part for this assignment is to make the eyes blink, and to do that, we're going to be using this options down here, GIF frames. And you'll see there's like a little picture of what we just did. I'm going to change the speed right now. I'm going to set it to 50 milliseconds. And then we're going to just copy frame. And what you should see is it should make an exact copy. Now you'll notice that the little number, the 1 or the 2 or the 3 or whatever it is, if it's blue, that's the one you're on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take his skin tone here, which is this color. And you can always pick that color with the color picker. That will pick that color. And then switch back to the pencil. I'm going to draw out part of his eye like this. Okay? And then I'm going to copy frame. Then I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to just erase part of his eye. And then copy frame. And erase part of his eye. Copy frame. And you'll notice they're all copying the same speed. Erase part of his eye. Copy frame. Erase. And I'm going to leave this like here, like that, copy frame. In fact, I'm going to copy that frame 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. I'm going to hit play. We're going to just preview this and watch. Now, the eyes pop back open in a weird way. So we're going to try to make it so the eyes look natural opening. But instead of redrawing all those frames, I'm just going to copy the other frames that showed that. Now, here we go. So first, I'm going to find the first one that was opening, which is right here, number 5. See how it's like the eyes are opening again? So I'm going to copy that frame. Now, if you'll notice, it puts the copy right here, but I'm just going to drag that to the end. So now, 12, 13, it starts opening. I'm going to go back and find the one that's a little more open. I'm going to copy that frame. Then I'm going to drag, see this is the same one. I'm going to drag that copy to the end. I'm going to hit play just to see. See, I don't like how it like kind of pops open, so I'm going to fix that. So we're going to get to the rest of the way open. Let's go back. So we're on that far open right here. I'm going to copy that frame, drag that to the end. Oh my gosh, advertisements on this site. Brother. That one needs to go to the end. Bop, 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 bop. Almost open. I'm going to get the final one where it's fully open. I'm just going to duplicate that one, copy frame, drag that all the way to the end. Then I'm going to duplicate that frame, copy, 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 copy. Let's hit preview. And there you go. Blinking eyes. You could change the speed. You can make it a little bit faster so the blink is a little more like a natural blink. Might happen like at 25 frames per second. But hopefully this helps you use pixel art to do a very simple animation. Of course, you can do more complicated, more interesting things. If you have a suggestion or something you want to try or you just want to share, leave a comment. And hopefully this showed you how to use pixel art to animate, or at least to get started.